Ay. Wala. Walang red, bebe. You have to give assorted. Hello.
Pika hood.
Ha?
I want a pika hood.
Pika hood. Anong pika hood? Ang gulo natin.
Please, Mama.
Maybe this blue. Okay, Daddy. Ano mo na tabi ito?
Please. I want it to be my favorite game.
Favorite game eh. Dad. Okay na to. Got this. Play-Doh. Okay na ito. This is for school. Walang red. We only got this pink, blue, 2 purple. So I think this is enough. Okay na to. It's for Hannah. Maraming laruan dito. Hindi magkaunda-ugaga itong dalawa. Okay, let's go now. What's that? What?
Oh, Rocky Box, Foxy, Tick Shark, Stick Candy.
Oh, you love it? Do you love it? What's this?
Because I like it.
Oh, this is one that you're watching in your YouTube Kids.
Yeah, I watched that. I watched my iPad. I saw this one.
Oh, Lanky Box.
Me too.
Okay, let's go now.
Lanky.
Oh. Go na,
Lanky
ate.
box.
If you want the Lanky Box. Lanky Box, oh, they are
There's another
selling
Lanky
this.
box.
Oh, another Lanky Box here. Oh, this one too here.
How is it another Lanky?
Which one you like?
Oh.
Just one. Just one.
I mean,
May Lanky Box pa dito. Si Blippi. Oh, Blippi is here.
Sleepy. Oh, Lanky box too.
Oh, isa lang. Next time naman.
Oh, Sleepy.
Oh, let's go na.
Lanky box.
Let's go.
Gorilla. Stretchy.
Gorilla. Big hello shout out to our 10 live viewers. Let's go na, Daddy. Ano yan? Pinag-iisipan mo pa. Okay, let's go, darling. That's a flashlight. Flashlight with... There's a tool set. Yes, baby.
Look at what I found.
Look at you, found.
For the light.
Okay, let's go. Aray ko. O yan o. Febreze. Anong pinagkaiba niya? Febreze. Yung pink. Oh my goodness. Romance and Desire. Itong isa. So my husband picked this one here. Refresh and energize. Okay, let's go now. We have to go. Baka ano pang makuha nitong mga bulinggit na ito. Okay, magbabayad na tayo. At, oh, hi. Oh, there's a lot of Canada stuff things here. Stickers. There's a little bag. Oh, next time. Next
I want
time.
to get Foxy.
We've got a lot today. Let's go.
Mommy, I want to get Foxy.
What fox? Oh, that one. Okay, let's go now. Let's go now. You have to pay for that first.
Later I can buy this one. I want to.
Okay, next
Also,
time.
there's another surprise.
Okay, next time. Let's go now.
Lanky box.
Oh, let's
Here's
go.
one. Lanky box. Here's one.
Let's go na, Hannah. We can do that at home. Mommy knows how to do that.
Wait, I can
Okay,
already
let's go na.
open it. I already opened it.
Okay. May cracker ka pa, ate? Do you have a... Oh, wala yan. Ikaw talaga. May cracker pa si ate. Ate's favorite cracker is the Biscoff. So, I think we have to get one. One Biscoff. Well, mega love shout out to our 2 live viewers and 6 likers. I have to say